Mas maganda ako dito. Akin eh.
Dali mo lang pa, di pa nag-start. Di pa nag-start.
Hi, I'm Ching.
And I'm Kylie.
And I'm Chad.
And we are the
Gangstar teacher.
And we're going to sing.
Ano ba to?
Naka-start na yun siguro. Naka-start na yun eh.
Di nga.
Una ka rin na nga kanina pa. Ay, ito na oh.
Ayun na.
Back to you guys.
Oh, nagkakatayin.
Okay. I'm yours. I'm yours, babe. I love you.
Wala po yun.
Papasok na ba? Ano ba ito? Putol-putol mo.
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Well, you done on me and you better felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me. It's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more.
It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Mag-performance level kayo. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Me, open up your eyes and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, we will dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God for second right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more.
It cannot wait. I'm yours.
There's no need
To complicate our time. It's short. It's I'm yours.
Yeah. And you want to Scott? Ano ba? Hindi ko na alam yung meaning nito.
Ito, ano to?
Ano na? Patayin mo na.